How to fix WhatsApp voice message not working. First, make sure WhatsApp has permission to use your microphone. On Android, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Apps, then App Management and click WhatsApp. Then Permissions, then make sure microphone is allowed. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to WhatsApp and turn on the microphone permission. Next, restart WhatsApp and try recording a voice message again. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone to clear any temporary software issues. Check that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, and install any available updates. On Android, you can also go to Settings, scroll down and tap Apps, then App Management, click WhatsApp, Storage Usage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and won't delete your chats or media. If you're using Bluetooth headphones or another audio device, disconnect them and try recording again. Sometimes WhatsApp may use the external microphone instead of your phone's built-in one. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix WhatsApp voice messages not working. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech tutorials.